Okay, it's been a long day. We got carried away. We rearranged my front porch, but I cannot get over the difference. It is literally like, I keep staring at it. So white. Just the small bit that we already did today, putting like little pots and plants around the front doors made such a difference. Tomorrow we're going to be going to our local flea market to try and find some pieces for the front yard. So today was such a win. We got so much done today and I'm so proud of what it looks like. Now it's time to drink a beer and relax. So we'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye.